Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be sewing a satin pillowcase, and these are the only materials you will need. So you want to fold your fabric in half, and you're going to measure the width to 21 inches. Make a mark, and then the length you want to be 30 inches. And you're just going to make a mark across. Now either I didn't mark in a straight line or I can't cut in a straight line, but it's going to come out okay. It may be a combination of both. So you should have 3 open ends. So for the width, you want to pin both sides. And the other side. Now that you have both sides pinned, you're going to take it to the machine and we're going to sew with the zigzag stitch. And if you are enjoying the music, please check out the description box, and also on Instagram, I'll put his name on the screen, Canon at c4.irl. So you just want to give that a good press. And then we're going to fold under. And you want to fold about 2 inches. And you're going to press. So just measure and press. So now on the open edge, you want to fold about 1/4 of an inch, and you're going to pin, making sure to not catch the other side. So you want to make sure you don't get the other side over there. And if you're getting any value out of this video, please hit the subscribe button. So now that we have it pinned, you want to sew all around. So this is what it should look like. We're going to give it a good press. Turn it to the right side and press it all around. And there you go, a satin pillowcase. If you want a matching eye mask, check out my last video. Until next time, guys.